Today we're diving into a huge topic. Will AI replace your job? With AI tools becoming more advanced every day, people are starting to wonder if robots are coming for their jobs. Is your role in danger? Or is AI here to help make your work easier and more efficient? In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what you need to know about AI's impact on the workforce in 2025. We'll talk about which jobs might be most at risk, how AI is already changing industries, and what you can do to stay ahead of the curve. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Cyber Tech, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI-driven strategies. Now let's jump into today's topic. Okay, first things first, AI replacing every job? That's a little overblown. Sure, there are some jobs that will definitely be affected, but in many cases, AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to help you. Think of it as a new team member that's really great at handling repetitive tasks, freeing you up to do the more important stuff. Instead of eliminating jobs, AI is transforming the way we work. The goal isn't job destruction, it's job transformation. It's not that AI is going to take over, it's more like AI is going to make us work smarter, not harder. Alright, let's talk about which jobs are more likely to be affected by AI. And let's be clear, these aren't the kinds of jobs that require creativity or human connection, but rather those that involve routine tasks or lots of data processing. Repetitive and low-skill jobs. If your job involves a lot of repetitive manual tasks, you might see some AI tools stepping in. For example, data entry clerks. AI can process data more quickly and accurately than humans, which makes this job especially at risk. Customer service reps. AI chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated, handling customer questions and issues without human intervention. Retail workers, automated checkout systems, and AI-driven stock management are already changing the retail landscape. But hey, don't freak out yet. While these jobs may be changing, they're not gone for good. AI is just handling the simpler stuff, so you can focus on more interesting tasks. What jobs are AI-proof? So, what about the jobs that AI can't really replace? Fortunately, there are plenty of roles where AI can assist, but not take over completely. These are jobs that rely on human creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking. Things AI simply can't replicate. Creative jobs. Whether it's writing, design, or music, creative jobs are safe for now. Sure, AI tools can help create content, but they still need humans to add the finishing touches, the personal style, and the nuance. Healthcare and social work. AI might help doctors by analyzing data, but it can't replace the human touch that's needed when dealing with patients. Similarly, social work requires emotional intelligence and empathy, things that are hard for AI to imitate. Leadership roles. AI might be great at analyzing data, but leadership is all about making decisions, handling people, and navigating complex social situations. That's still very much a human job. How AI is transforming the workforce in 2025. Alright, let's take a step back and look at the big picture. Even if AI isn't taking over jobs left and right, it's definitely changing how we work. Here are a few ways AI is transforming industries in 2025. Automating mundane tasks. AI is handling the boring stuff, whether it's scheduling meetings, managing emails, or dealing with routine customer queries. AI tools are taking care of it. This means you can spend more time on tasks that need creativity, problem solving, and strategy. Personalized workflows. AI can analyze your work habits and optimize your workflow. It can offer suggestions, prioritize tasks, and even help with time management, basically making your workday more efficient. Collaboration and innovation. AI is also making teamwork easier. It can help teams brainstorm, analyze data, and even create new products or strategies. Rather than replacing humans, AI is giving people the tools to collaborate and innovate more effectively. How to future-proof your career. Now that we know how AI is affecting the job market, let's talk about how to future-proof your career. You might be thinking, how do I stay ahead if AI is taking over some tasks? Here are some tips. Embrace AI and upskill. The best way to stay ahead is to embrace AI. Learn how AI can help in your job and start using tools that make your work easier. Whether it's data analysis tools or AI-powered design software, becoming AI savvy will make you more valuable in your field. Focus on skills. AI can't automate. Focus on developing skills that AI can't easily replicate, like creativity, emotional intelligence, and leadership. These are the skills that will always be in demand, no matter how advanced AI gets. Stay adaptable. The job market is changing quickly, so it's important to be adaptable. Stay open to learning new tools, exploring new industries, and updating your skill set to stay relevant. Let me share a quick story about John, a data entry clerk who started to worry about his job when his company introduced an AI tool called UiPath, a robotic process automation RPA software. Initially, John was resistant and thought, "Great, this is the end of my career." But instead of panicking, he decided to take action. John signed up for a free online course to learn how to use UiPath and understand the basics of automation. He discovered that the tool could handle repetitive tasks like data sorting, invoice processing, and even cross-checking databases for errors, tasks that used to take up most of his day. With UiPath doing the heavy lifting, John suddenly had time to dive deeper into data analysis, spotting patterns and insights that his team had overlooked before. But John didn't stop there. He started experimenting with creating small automation scripts himself. For example, he built a workflow that automated weekly performance reports, reducing a task that once took hours into a few clicks. His initiative didn't go unnoticed. Management started asking him to help other departments streamline their processes too. Fast forward a year, and John's role completely transformed. He went from a worried data entry clerk to a process automation specialist, with a significant pay raise and the respect of his peers. By combining the efficiency of AI tools like UiPath with his growing expertise, John became indispensable to his company. The moral? AI isn't just about job loss, it's about creating opportunities for those willing to adapt, upskill, and embrace new technologies. So, will AI replace your job? Not exactly. AI is changing the way we work, but in many cases, it's here to assist rather than replace. By embracing new tools and focusing on human skills that AI can't replicate, you can ensure that you'll remain an essential part of the workforce in 2025 and beyond. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AI Cyber Tech, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest AI-driven strategies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video!